Hi everyone, today's topic is TRIAC. TRIAC is an acronym that stands for Triode for Alternating Current. Triode means it has a three terminal device or three terminals, namely gate, main terminal 1 and main terminal 2. TRIAC is a three terminal device while EC means that it is used for switching alternating current. Three-terminal bidirectional switch that conducts in both directions. It is made up of combination of two SCRs in anti-parallel with their gates joined together. As I said, it's a three terminals, namely gate, main terminal 1 and main terminal 2. It does not have any anode and cathode like thyristor, because it can conduct in both direction and it does not matter if terminals are swapped. TRIAC can be triggered into conduction by either positive or negative gate current in both direction, while it switches off when the main current falls below the holding current limit. If you see the symbol of TRIAC, it represents two thyristors connected in anti-parallel having a common gate. So it's equivalent to two thyristor. Just like a thyristor, it has three terminals, but their names are different except for gate. It is due to the fact that each terminal is made by connecting the anode and cathode of SCR together. Therefore, both terminals are either called anode or main terminal 1 or main terminal 2. You see the advantages of TRIAC. It can conduct and regulate both halves of an AC waveform. It requires only one fuse for protection. Positive as well as negative gate pairs can be used to trigger TRIAC. It's a compact and requires a smaller heatsink as opposed to using two SCR. It does not require a diode in parallel for reverse protection as in SCR. See disadvantages, it's less reliable than SCR. Low switching speed requires caution while triggering, as it can be triggered in either direction. Its power rating is lower as compared to SCR. Its switching is asymmetric for both halves of AC. This completes a brief description about TRIAC.